Hello, in front of me I've got TCL30. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter display, and here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change display brightness level manually, enable or disable adaptive brightness, dark mode, eye comfort mode, and change color temperature of the display. Next, we can change sleep timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes or never, change color mode and temperature between vivid, natural, standard and advanced, change font size, font style, enable or disable auto rotate screen, manage status bar and notch. For example, you can enable or disable show network speed, battery percentage, notifications icons folder, and you can hide notch. In more display settings, you can manage full screen apps. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.